Hardy dudes and dudettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Okay, a big shout out to the Spring Mountain Motor Resort and Country Club. Okay, and a big shout out to Justin Johnson. If you guys want a freaking one of the badass racing instructors there is, I would request Justin Johnson. Okay, request Justin Johnson. He's so down to earth. That dude's just going to give you every detail. You know, he's not an a-hole dude. Like I was saying, he's down to earth. Okay, super cool dude. All right, and the Spring Mountain Motor Resort is just freaking amazing, dude. You guys got to check this place out. It's located in Pahrump, Nevada. This place is freaking awesome. All right, the links will be in the description. All right, so today I got to ride in a Corvette ZR1 1064 horsepower. 1064 horsepower. This car is freaking amazing, and Justin Johnson gave me the complete rundown on this car, and it was so amazing, dude. I'm stumbling my words right now. You know, the car is freaking amazing. It blows my mind. All right, so check out Spring Mountain Motorsports. All right, and make sure that you request Justin Johnson as your instructor. You know, the dude is freaking up here. Okay, the dude's up here. The dude's up here. Yeah, so freaking amazing. Hot damn hell yeah, y'all the baddest. Hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Get some.
You know, look at this right
what
here.
What you got right here is one of them taxi cabs from New York.
Yeah, that New York taxi cab.
Drove it all the way from New York.
Hot damn. How much horsepower you said?
1064.
Woo! 1064.
Twin turbo.
Twin turbine.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. You say you're going to take me for...
We got,
oh,
I got
you
stuff
got
in there
stuff
I got
in
to
there.
get out.
All right. Oh, let's check out this motor. Did you just see that? Holy smokes. Yeah, that's enough.
So yeah, that the other model, the non-convertible, shows the whole thing, you know. .828 foot-pounds of torque, 5.5 liter flat plane crank.
That is just crazy.
9.8 to 1 compression.
That is just crazy. Look at that. Woo!
Something, huh?
Something else. Hot damn.
Hot diggity dog.
We'll go for a little ride. We ain't gonna punch it or nothing like that. We're just gonna go around the block skis real quick, just so I get a little taste of it, a little ride. Man, this thing looks crazy.
It's pretty crazy.
Wow.
But
what's in there?
Really, really well.
There's nothing in. Oh, look at that. You see it? I can't see it. You see it?
What?
Intercooler, right?
The intercooler's in the front.
The intercooler's in the front. What the hell is this? A radiator?
That's radiator. Yeah.
Oh, radiator. Oh, I can see it now. Doy!
Oil coolers and everything. Hop in.
Oh man. All right, so he's telling me to hop in. Oh yeah. This thing is nuts. Bose Performance Sound System. Whoa! Settle down there, baby.
Got a little shake and bake.
Yeah. Wow. Look at that. ZR1. Flip the camera around. Oh yeah, this thing is badass. We're not gonna hit it. We're not gonna be irresponsible today. Damn, this thing sounds sweet. Look at that. Oh, it's got the rumble.
Yeah, it gurgles when you let off. It's pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
I didn't say
That is
anything
cool.
about you.
Thing is off the hook. Thanks, man.
The cop. Oh, I know he was sitting up here.
He was sitting up here, the police.
Yeah, we ain't got to get crazy. I just wanted to go for a little ride. It's just amazing. Wow.
These things you can hold the paddles in, rev it up.
Oh, damn. It sounds sweet.
The back window goes down.
What?
It's a convertible.
Shut the front door. Dude. That is cool. Look at that rear view mirror. That's actually a camera, huh?
Yeah.
That's badass. Jeez. This is freaking awesome. All kind of gadgets. What you got going on here? Oh, Billy! Woo-hoo! Man, puts you right back in the seat. Doesn't take too much, huh?
Barely touching it. Just whoop,
Yeah.
60.
Jeez. So, man, this thing is, the sound is just incredible. It's incredible.
That's fourth gear, just cruising.
Man, it's making my head bounce off the back of the seat.
Oh yeah, because you got.
You know, whoop, every time you hit it, I'm bam. This is freaking awesome.
Shocks, what happens is the shocks read the road over 1,000 times per 1 second.
Oh,
and
damn.
what it does, it changes the voltage to the shocks. And the fluid, there's little iron particles that are in the oil. When there's more voltage driven to the iron particles, they stick together, magnetize, and that makes the oil thick. So the suspension stiffens up.
Oh, damn, that's badass.
When there's a big bump, it knows in milliseconds to change the voltage to soften the shock so the shock can absorb it. It makes
That's
the fluid
crazy.
watery.
Jeez.
It's pretty cool.
What's the retail on one of these things?
Right now they're going for a little over 300 at the dealership.
I'm in a
Yeah.
$300,000 car here. Damn.
Yeah, it's
Ooh, I wish I had me one. This is something, man. This is really exciting for me. This is so cool. Just listening to it,
yeah.
that is just
You can
incredible.
change what mode you're in. It changes the sound. See how
Oh,
it just
wow.
quiet it up? So now you're in touring mode. So suspension's soft, engine's quiet. Now the wife's happy.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's badass.
It's got the camera system in it, so right now it's running like a dash cam. So the dash gets up under here.
Okay.
Got launch control.
It's freaking cool,
There's
man.
little different modes here. You can change the modes to, different modes, sport mode.
Oh, look at that.
Track
Oh,
mode.
jeez.
You can go down to my mode where you can kind of customize what you want. You go to
That's
weather
awesome.
mode,
Look at that.
change all different, if you're in bad weather or whatnot, I can run in water. Now the traction control system is really intrusive.
That's awesome.
So if you try to spin the tires, it won't let you.
Oh, listen to that.
Z mode. So Z mode is kind of like you can customize it to it. So they give you two modes to kind of customize how you go.
Okay. That's freaking awesome.
No turn on red. I guess we're
we even go? We're on the other side of the planet already.
Yeah, you got this little side display here. Change your air pressure. Look at all the different performance layouts, so you can scroll through and see all your parameters,
Oh, geez,
gauges.
that's awesome.
What the electronic limited slip differential's doing, the boost, engine output, torque and horsepower. It'll tell you what it's putting out.
Oh, dang, that's awesome.
G-force. Yeah.
Something else, man.
You can take all your gauges, your performance gauges, and you can move this stuff over to here. It shows you this is different intervals in your power and torque. It'll give you a little graph display. You can see over your 1 minute, 2 minutes. There's over the last 2 minutes kind of what we've done. We've only hit your park. You can kind of scroll through and see it, but we've only hit the
Yeah.
already at 50.
Man, it just gets it just instantly.
Yeah, and it lays it down pretty good
Yeah.
too.
My head keeps bouncing off this. You keep popping my head. Woo! That's incredible. Man, it makes me want to go sell my house, sell my wife, sell my kids, sell my trucks, sell my little car, just to buy this thing. I'll sleep in it.
Yeah, there's so many people that are having such a hard time getting this car right now.
Is it desirability or low production?
Just there's the demand is so high, low
Demand,
production,
okay.
but yeah, the demand is really
There
high.
it is.
Look, we've only hit 400 horsepower and torque. I haven't even used
that's
used
enough.
any of that.
That's enough. Yeah, I have to come out to the track.
You got to get a ride around.
Yeah, I have to come out to the track and get a ride where we can do it nice and safe and legal and stuff like that. But yeah, the ride's enjoyable enough. Man, this is how many people get to ride in one of these cars?
Right.
I mean, there's almost zero to none. You know, I mean, this is crazy. I know you deal with them on a daily basis, but a regular turd like me, we don't get to experience this. That's why I appreciate this so much.
Yeah.
Damn, this thing is so sweet, so sexy.
There's all your gauges, so you can take, like, if I wanted this over here, like this stuff here, it says just add to the display, it'll go over here.
Oh, that's
So
amazing.
that'll send it right over here.
Oh,
So now
that's
I've got
awesome.
it over here, you know.
Yeah,
I can remove it and take it back from there.
that's cool.
You got all these, you can scroll through all the stuff that you can scroll through over here, you know. Still have all your stuff that you want to see.
That's freaking awesome.
That was only 3 pounds of boost right there.
Only 3 pounds of boost. Where are we at? 1 pound right now, huh? 1 psi. Oh, that's so cool.
It's crazy how fast it gets up to 50 without spinning tires, you know.
That's
The
nuts.
throttle's managed, so like if you just go full, it'll calculate how it gives the power to you, how quickly it can give the power based on all sensors, you know, wheel speed and tire pressures, tire temperatures, and rates of tire temperatures. And if the tires are nice and warm, it'll give you more power.
What's the exact model of this one?
This is the ZR1
Corvette ZR1. What
Yeah.
year is this?
2026.
2026 Corvette ZR1. Oh man.
Hey, So they make another model that has the Alcon brakes on it, racing brakes. This one doesn't have, but it has carbon ceramic brakes on it. But it doesn't have the Alcons, which are even crazier. But they're 10 piston brakes on them. Yeah,
That's crazy.
that's nutty.
Yeah.
Now I just went to touring or weather mode. Let's go back to touring.
Back to touring.
You see how now it's just more mellow.
Yeah.
Suspension softer. Engine's quieter.
How do you know where we're at?
Because I used to live over here.
I'm
Yes.
lost.
I used to live over here, so I know.
Okay. Yeah, I'm totally lost. I feel like we just went around the world.
We went on the freeway, went right, and down.
Excuse me. Yeah, this thing, it can handle the turns like a champion. You can't even tell you're going into the turn.
Right. You'd be like, oh, I got to turn now.
Oh,
sorry.
geez,
about
son
that.
of a. Okay, take it easy. We're gonna make it. We gotta make it home safely. Woo!
Pretty nutty car, huh?
This is a nutty car. This is an amazing car.
And people say all the time, oh, you'll never be able to use that power on the street. I'm like, oh, you can.
Oh yeah, you can use
These
the
computers
power.
are good, man. They can
Yeah.
manage it really well.
You can use the power for sure.
And now the ZR1X has the electric motor in the front. All-wheel
Yeah.
drive, that one will slaughter a lot.
Oh yes,
So
absolutely.
that is-
I've seen that.
Having that little extra help in the front, man.
Freaking amazing. Well, you made my Father's Day awesome.
There you
Give
go,
me a
buddy.
handshake. Thank you so much. That's freaking awesome. Corvette ZR1 2026. How much was that?
America, baby. 1064.
1,064 horsepower. Woohoo! Hell yeah. Hot damn.